Not so much a museum, at least at the Ollantaytambo location, which is more like a nice chocolate shop, but upstairs where the chocolate workshop is held there are several interesting and informative displays that our host used. We loved getting to roast and grind cocoa beans, bought some so we can make our own fresh hot choc at home, and taste the true pure bitter chocolate as well as the more refined final product. My wife and I had an amazing time. We loved learning the history of the chocolate, and really making our own. Bean to bar sums up the experience perfectly. We loved doing the workshop in Ollantaytambo, where we were able to easily walk to the workshop, and there were so many dinner options afterwards. We also liked getting to try the hot chocolate and cocoa bean tea. There was so much more than just making your own chocolate. The gift shop was also an amazing spot for us to pick up gifts for people. When we arrived, the reservation hadn't shown up on her computer, so she wasn't expecting anyone, but within a few minutes she had everything ready. 3 more people showed up with the same situation, so they joined us for a wonderful experience. We learned a lot and enjoyed tasting so many unique flavors. We did the 4 p.m. tour, which was perfect because many places close about that time. The location is within walking distance from the plaza. Great price. We had the best time here today. We did the bean to bar workshop and the lady who ran this was lovely and really good fun. We were able to try out our basic Spanish and she did the session in English for us. We had a lot of fun and would highly recommend this if you like chocolate. We were able to pick up our chocolates 30 minutes after the class finished. Purest homemade chocolate everything. Friendly English-speaking staff. Don't miss the hot cocoa. I'll be back. We have a great time learning how to make chocolate from the bean. We never knew how much of a process it was. We loved the chocolates we made and bought a lot to take back with use.